Okay, I want to say something, but I can't say it properly.
It's okay. You're trying. That's important.
I try, but words don't come. They just disappear.
That happens. Just say it slowly.
I am new in Canada?
Not can-da. Say Canada.
Canada. Okay, I am new in Canada.
Perfect. See? You can do it.
But when I see people, I feel nervous again.
That's okay. Just be yourself.
I don't know. I feel scared to talk.
I am new here in Canada. I feel very nervous.
That's okay. Being new is always a little scary.
I see many people, but I don't talk to them.
Good, but say, I don't talk with them or to them is also okay.
I don't talk to them. I feel shy.
That's natural. Everyone feels shy sometimes.
When I see people, I get afraid.
Better word is I feel afraid or I feel scared.
I feel scared, and I don't speak.
You can speak. Just start with small sentences.
My English is not good. I cannot speak properly.
Say, my English is not very good.
My English is not very good. I cannot speak properly.
That's okay. You're learning.
When I try to speak, I forget words.
Say, I forget the words.
I forget the words. Then I feel more nervous.
That happens. Don't worry too much.
People speak very fast. I don't understand them.
Good sentence. Just listen carefully.
I want to speak like them, but I feel weak.
Not weak. Say, I feel less confident.
I feel less confident, but I want to improve.
That's perfect. That is the first step.
What should I do to speak better?
Speak slowly. Don't rush.
Speak slow and think.
Not slow. Say slowly.
Speak slowly and think.
Very good. You're learning fast.
Can I talk to strangers, or is it wrong?
You can talk. Just be polite.
I say, hello, how are you? Is it okay?
That's perfect. Simple is always best.
I feel a little better now, not too much scared.
Say, I feel a little better now.
I feel a little better now. Thank you.
You're welcome. You are doing great.
I will try every day and speak more.
Perfect. Practice every day.
Maybe one day I will speak fluently.
Yes, you will. Just don't stop.
Wow, this place is so beautiful. Is this Niagara Falls?
Yes, this is Niagara Falls, one of the most famous places in Canada.
This is my first time here. I feel so happy.
Say, this is my first time being here.
This is my first time being here. It looks amazing.
Perfect. Yes, it looks breathtaking.
Water is falling very fast. It is very strong.
Good, but say, the water is falling very fast.
The water is falling very fast. It is very powerful.
Excellent. Now that sounds perfect.
I see many peoples here from different countries.
Not peoples, say people.
I see many people here from different countries.
Very good. Tourists come from all over the world.
Which country people come more here? Do you know?
Say, which countries do people come from?
Which countries do people come from? Tell me, please.
People come from USA, Canada, and many other countries.
This place looks very old. How many years it is?
Say, how many years old is it?
How many years old is it? I want to know.
It is thousands of years old. It was formed naturally.
Oh, wow. That is very interesting. Nature is very powerful.
Yes, nature creates amazing things.
I want to take many photos. This place is perfect.
Good sentence. Yes, it's perfect for photos.
I feel very calm here and also excited.
Perfect. That's a beautiful feeling.
Next time, I want to visit more places like this.
Yes, Canada has many beautiful places.
Today, I learned many things. My English is getting better, slowly.
Yes, you did great. You're improving every day.
And if you like this video, please subscribe.
Not subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe? Is it correct now?
Yes, perfect. That's how you say it.
Okay, please subscribe to my channel.
Yes, guys, please subscribe to her channel. She is working very hard and learning step by step.
I am learning just like you, so we can learn together.
Exactly. We are learning together.
Next time, we will learn more in a new place.
Yes, maybe in a cafe or talking to new people.
Okay, I am ready. See you next time.
See you. Keep learning.